Here we go. Another Carl Belt C-60 coming up for sale. And again, this is another one that a friend of mine had. He traded it in, and this one actually has a sideband built into it. So, somebody talks on sideband, this one might be for you. Also has high and low, and this one has a single 2879C in it. I know you guys can't see down in there, but just showing you a side shot of it here and a top shot. It does have a 2879C, so not a Toshiba, not a HG, but a 2879C. So you can run it a little bit higher voltage. It can take a little more drive. It's going to be a little more forgiving for drive. It's probably going to do roughly about the same with this radio going into it. Could probably actually take a little bit more drive. You know, this is a 35 watt PEP, 10 watt average radio. Being that it's the 2879C, I wouldn't go crazy and, put 60 watts into it or anything, but you probably get by putting a little bit more. But let's turn it on here, and we'll show you guys how it does. I know that's super bright. I always say that because it is bright in person, but it's not near as bright in person as it is on camera. So sideband delay does work, by the way. If you guys can hear that slight delay there, that's with it off. Here's your current draw at 15 volts. Hello, audio. Big difference from that Toshiba, huh? So you guys remember I said those Toshibas draw a little bit more current. It's just the way they work. Big difference there. Here's your PEP, PEP. This is going to be peak power top scale. Hello, audio. About 145. Not quite 150. Again, it could probably take a little more drive. And then here is your average power. We got about a 15 watt dead key there. 15 to, I'd say 12, 15 watts. Hello, audio. 50 watts average. Hello. So 50 average, 150 PEP. This is on low power. Hello. About the same, about 45. And then this is low on PEP. Hello. About 125 on low there. So that's it. We'll get this one listed up for sale. Again, it could probably take a little more drive. You might see it do a little bit more power, but not too shabby. Hitting it with a single final radio, 35 PEP, and 10 watts or so bird there. So C-60 2879C with sideband. All right, thanks everybody. We'll get this one listed up. roostercb.com under used equipment and specials. See you, bye.